hello there. I got this small washboard plastic tab on Amazon. I will put an associated link below to it. It's smaller than I was expecting it to be. It's a Washboard Basin. Right there. But actually the size, and this is a 4-quart one. Actually the size worked out pretty good for us because of the fact it does fit in our sink. Let's take that off. And it fits right into the sink really well. We'll throw some warm water in. I'll show you how this works. I've used this 2 times now on probably about 12 different items of laundry. Here's my laundry soap. Get that in there going. And then I've got a handkerchief and a bralette. We'll go ahead and put the bralette in there so I can start getting dancing with the soap there, and my soap goes. Okay, and I just take the item like this, open the item up, and then just rub it across. Now like this had snot on it, and so it does need to be scrubbed well. But yeah, the little area there works really good. Same thing with a bra, you just move it around, or any item of clothing, just move it around to try to hit all the different areas, re-moisturize it. But so far I've been super happy with this basin, and you can see how dirty the water is. I mean, it certainly did pull some of the dirt out. Now I'll do these a little bit longer just to make sure, especially the top, to make sure that it's really clean. And this is a nice way to preserve your clothes because they're being washed much gentler than if they were in the wash. But yeah, you can see it works great. I would highly recommend it. It's going to be perfect if we're doing any traveling and I just need to wash a few underwear, bra, you know, a pair of boxers or something. Super great, super easy. Has a little hole here so you can hang it up if you want. And it fits in this small sink, so I'd say it'd fit probably most sinks. Definitely in all kitchen sinks, but in most bathroom sinks it probably would fit. Yeah, I could even see this fitting in a square sink. But thank you so much for watching this. Let me know if you have ever used a wash basin like this, a style like this, or maybe another type, but something similar. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.